What is going on, everybody? Welcome to NMI GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. It has been quite a while for me to do a video, and opportunity has arose to make one. We are headed down to OBX for, I guess it's the Custom Rides Car Show, or it's something that they do every year, and we're fortunate enough to make it down this year. So we are packing up the ST. Yes, the ST is making the trip down there. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and get this loaded up. Me, the wife, and the daughter will be headed down there, and we're going to just go ahead and kind of vacation this go around. The Mustang is cleaned up in the tool shed, and you can see Stormy back here. So we're going to go ahead and just document this. We have a stop to go before we leave. I have to drop off something at Derek's. Maybe we'll throw him in here real quick, and then we'll continue on with our trip. But go watch that intro. See you in a bit. Welcome back. So for those of y'all that don't keep up with my socials, I have finally put down my concrete pad to my tool shed. So that is what it looks like now. Now I have an actual stable entry. I got to build this up a little bit right here. It works out fine, but I just want to build this up a little bit along the edges to make it more scenery. But you can see Wasp has found her home for the week. She's in here, she's cleaned up, and like I said, we're just leaving her in her spot. But of course, you know, I just wanted to show you what we have going on. And remember, Wasp is never alone because there's always security around this place, and I'll know about it anyway. But when we get on the road, I'll hit you back up. All right, everyone, we are finally on the road. We had to make a quick stop at Derek's and drop off a pulley that he is doing for a friend, customer, new acquaintance. But that'll be on his video, and I'll let y'all worry about that over there. But we are now headed down to OBX. What it says is 2 hours and 57 minutes. Now, my wife doesn't like going the interstate all the way, so we're going to be dipping and hawing in different places and ending up so it'll probably closer to 4 hours for us. And of course, we got small bladders, we got to pee. I'm sure we'll be hungry at some point, so you know, trip is a trip, right? So here we go, onward and upward, right? All right, everybody, we are down here now, and we decided to have an early dinner here at, where is it? Spanky's. I don't know where the sign is behind me, but anyway, there it is. Boom, Spanky's. So Pam said that we used to come down here all the time. The place has been open for quite a few years, and I haven't been down here in like 15, 16 years, so she wanted to come back and reminisce. So we're doing that, and as you can see across the street, this is what's going to be the view pretty much all weekend. They have the old rods and custom car show type deal. So they're going to be popping up meats everywhere, and we're going to kind of go ahead and grab some. Now, I know it isn't the modern stuff that I usually deal with, but I'm on a little vacation, so I'm just bringing you along, and kind of is what it is. So we'll see you at our next destination. All right, everybody, so we made another stop, but it's at one of my favorite places in the world. You know that. It's Brew-Through. And if you don't know what Brew-Through is, and you're in a part of the country that doesn't have it, it is a drive-through convenience store. So you come around the side, in there, you got people that help you out, grab what you need on the road. So yeah, it's kind of cool. But I'm gonna go look at their shirts because I always get their shirts. See you in a second. All right, everybody, we are now at our hotel. We are on the 4th floor, looking over 12. Now you're going to see probably through the outgoings of the night when we go out and do what we need to do. cars will be coming through here, as you can see. There's a couple that are already in our parking lot that are staying here. We got some tubbed out mods down there. You get the old classics. Got a little bit of everything. So with that being said, I'm not the expert on this, but again, it is a little tiny vacation. We have a balcony to the road. We're just gonna go ahead and make a video out of this and see where we end up. So as the day progresses, shall with the video. Some of them leaving the parking lot. Pretty nice. Like I said, it's the first time out here. They got everything. They got everything on racing slicks. They got everything from this to this thing. Very nice. This looks pretty nice. It's all cleaned up, shaved. All the wires are tucked. And they got a little bit of new school out here. But it is definitely busy. People rolling everywhere through here. Got some trucks that got dumped. Ray would like stuff like this. Daytona.
Yeah, right? Good, told you what's gonna happen.
When you have nowhere to sit, you bring your own place to sit. That had to have been nice to be at NASCAR races or races like that. Just bring your own stage with you and fire pit. Here's a little interesting thing for the import guys. Little race truck going on. There's like a bait shop on wheels. Look at that thing. crazy. Three guys that like vets. $19.57. This is the voice behind the camera. Like I said, it's definitely a mixed bag of stuff here for sure. A little side quest, of course. We're here at Rec Room, which is right in front of the car show. The wife is looking for some shoes, so I went ahead and found me another pair of shoes to get. So now we're just waiting on her, and this is how my life goes. Funny, I live at home. This gets done at Altuco down the street, and I never seen it. Go figure that. Starting to get a little dark now, but just wanted y'all to see this crazy over here. Maybe it's just me. Look at that. Oh, Adam family type of stuff going on here. Pretty cool. Well, that is just meat for us. We're going to go finish enjoying it, but as you can see, well, a little bit crazy out here, but all in good fun. So we're going to go ahead and cut out right now and catch you probably tomorrow.